What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can open a Nexo account. So let's get started. Now first off, you can either type in Nexo into your browser or you can click the first link in the description and that link will lead you on the sign up page right here. Now the process is same for both desktop and mobile, so if you're on mobile you can still follow from here. Now first off, once you're on the sign up page right here, you would need to input the email that you want to be associated with your Nexo account. Now once you inputted your email, you can click create account right here. From there, a verification code will be sent to the email that you inputted. So just go ahead and open that email and get the verification code. Now I have the verification code, so I will just paste it right here. And there we go. As soon as you paste over the code, you will be redirected to the next step. Now here on the next and final step, you would need to input the password for your account. Now keep in mind that the password needs to have at least 8 characters, a numeric symbol, and a lowercase and uppercase letters. Now, once you inputted the password that checkmarks all these criteria right here, you can accept the terms and conditions by clicking this right here and click Create Account. Now, once you click that, your account will be created and you will automatically be on your Nexo account dashboard. So the whole process is pretty straightforward, and that's guys how you can create your Nexo crypto staking service account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.